Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the potential TREN Finance airdrop. Now TREN Finance is a DeFi protocol on the Mode network and it ensures that the liquidity flows on the Mode network. Now before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which up to $30,000, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. And once you create an account on Bybit, you would be also eligible to participate in different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now, before we move on to TREN Finance airdrop, if we talk about the mode price over here, as you can see, it's close to 2 cents and with an overall market cap of around 25 million. Now, I'm not sure whether this is the actual market cap or not, but I will need to go ahead and check this. But still, like, Mode network has a huge potential to grow in the future. Now, if we talk about the total locked value on the Mode network, as you can see, it's basically an optimistic roll up with a overall TVL of around 505 million US dollars at the time of making this video. So still it has a decent TVL, and to be honest, Mode network had did their airdrop in the past, which was pretty quick as opposed to some other projects which have been in the market for many years, and they recently did some airdrop, or maybe they are still waiting to do an airdrop for the community. So with regards to the total locked value, I personally feel that there should be a huge growth potential for Mode network in the future, and that's the reason why I went ahead and purchased few Mode tokens. Although none of this is a financial advice, do your own research. Now, in order to potentially farm the TREN Finance airdrop, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to have some Ethereum Sefolia on your MetaMask wallet. So if you don't have it, you can create an account on Alchemy and simply go to your MetaMask wallet over here, copy your address and paste your address over here and click on send me ETH. Or alternatively, you can mine this Sefolia ETH from this faucet over here, which will give you up to 2.5 ETH per day. Now once you have Sefolia ETH on your wallet, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and sign on TREN Finance. Now please note that for sign up you will need to have a referral code. Now I have few referral codes over here. So as you can see, these are all the referral codes which you can go ahead and use them in order to create an account on TREN Finance. And I will leave all of this in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to go ahead and create an account on TREN Finance. Now once you have created an account on TREN Finance, all you have to do is you will need to go to faucet over here, and the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and claim your 10,000 TREN USD tokens. Along with that, there are some altcoins that you can go ahead and claim over here. So as you can see, there's this Pepe, SDAI, Trump, EETH, USDC, Ondo, and wrapped Lido staked ETH. So these are not the actual coins, these are on the Sefolia network. So all you have to do is once you go ahead and claim all of this, the next step that you can do is you can go to earn function over here and click on deposit TREN USD. So once you click on deposit over here, simply input the amount that you want to go ahead and deposit. For example, in this case, I am depositing 5,000 TREN USD. Simply click on deposit over here and wait for the MetaMask wallet to pop up and click on confirm. So within like few seconds, this TREN USD would be deposited on TREN Finance network. Now after that, what you can do is you can go to this modules over here, and as you can see, there are the different assets where you can go ahead and open positions over here. So as you can see, there is this Pepe, there is SDAI, Trump, and all of this. So if you had claimed all of these tokens, you can basically click on this open over here. So for example, I have opened this Pepe over here. So as you can see, you can go ahead and deposit this asset against which you can go ahead and borrow TREN USD. So you need to consider the health factor as well. So if the health factor falls below 1, then your position would be liquidated. You would be able to check all the details over here. So if we go and check in the modules over here, as you can see, the total locked value or total value locked is like 31.78k, and utilization is 3.18%. Max LTV loan to value ratio is around 52%. Interest is 5%. And borrow fee is 2%, and liquidation is 66.67%. So this TREN Finance is majorly a borrowing protocol which you can use if you are active on the Mode network, and I personally feel that still Mode network has a huge potential in the future for growth during this bull run. And apart from that, if you want to have some detailed information about TREN Finance, you can read their blog over here. They have mentioned as to how this TREN Finance actually works on the Mode network. So this is all for this video with regards to TREN Finance and potential TREN airdrop. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.